Hey friends! Growing your YouTube channel is hard. This is why I've created the Viral Video Topic Finder to help you find your next viral video topic. And I'm giving it away for free. For example, I give the Viral Video Topic Finder in Airtable these keywords, and it took about 1 minute to run this workflow and to give back these videos, and all for free. So let's explore the results. So we have here 10 videos. So here we have the title, and here's the outlier score. So the outlier score is the number of views divided by the number of subscribers from the channel. So for example, this one seems very interesting. This one with Lovable, the image generation API, post viral reels while I sleep, and we can have a gallery view too. So for example, here I have the URL, so I can click and see the video here. We see that seems quite advanced, so we can take a lot of ideas from there. The idea is not to steal the video and to copy it, but to take inspiration and learn things and to do something similar, because if it has performed for them, we hopefully perform for us too. And this can work for any keyword. So here I put AI and marketing, and here are the results. Okay, and so all these are proven videos that have the potential to have really good results. In the rest of this video, I'm going to show you how to use this system for yourself in 3 easy steps. First, download the templates from Airtable and N8N just down below. Then choose the keywords, and we will see there is 2 ways to do it. I'm going to show you how to build this workflow, and then explore the results and choose the video that you want to take as inspiration for your next viral video. And by the way, if you're enjoying this, subscribe to this channel, because next week I'm going to record a video where I'm going to show you how to turn these video ideas into a full-blown content funnel. Look at this. This is already in Airtable. So here we can have an output with a summary, a tutorial, a blog post, LinkedIn, newsletter, Twitter, YouTube. So everything is there. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how to make all that automatically. So please subscribe and stay tuned. Now let's dive in. Here I begin with a schedule trigger, and for example, I want this to run every 7 days because I want to make new videos every week. So it will run every Saturday at 9 a.m. And then I want to get all the keywords from Airtable. So here a node Airtable, and I choose my base, Viral Video Topic Finder, and the table keywords. And we see that we have here AI and marketing. So this was the data from our second run. Then here we have an HTTP request to the YouTube data API. So this is the URL. So to find this information, you can find it on the YouTube API, and here it is. So this is where you can find all the content. So playlists, videos. You can search here, but you can also ask ChatGPT or Claude to help you, but it's better to verify here because it can make sometimes some mistakes. So here we are, and okay, here we need also a credential, so with the YouTube API. So here I have done that because we can also search by channels. So if you have a channel list, you can also search a video from the channel, but this time I have done it only for the keywords. We want to have them ordered in the order of view count to have the most views on top, because here I put a max result 100, but there is only 50 results per page. So we want the best one first. We want videos, and we want them to be published after this date. So this means for the last 7 days. You want recent video from the last 7 days. And here we want the snippet. So the snippet is going to give us the date of publication, the channel ID, the title, and the description. And here we want the keywords. So I was telling you that we have two ways to search the keywords, because here, if I put my keywords here, it's going to search to have this AI marketing, is going to have them together. But if I put them in two different lines, it's going to make two search, one for AI and one for marketing. And so here I want videos that have AI and marketing in their keywords. So it's different results. So you have to decide what to do with that. Here, relevance language, I put English, but it doesn't work. So we are going to do it in another way to have only English videos, or the language that you target in your channel. If it's French, I'm French, but I do videos in English, then perhaps you will target videos in French, or you can take also inspiration from other countries. So here we have the results. Then we need to use split out, because here you can see we have only one item and we want all our videos to be separated. So here we take items and we put it there, and then it splits in an array of 50 videos. From there, we are going to detect language, as I was saying. So don't be afraid, this is code, but I have built it with Claude, and he make a funny way to do it, because he search the most common words in the language. So for English, Spanish, Portuguese, German, Italian, French. Well, I have taken the European language because it can always be interesting. But here I have kept only the English ones. And here we see the results. So here we have our English video, Spanish, Portuguese, German, Italian, French, and other. And here are the stats. So on 50 videos, there is 44 in English. And I want the English ones. So what I do here, I do a split out again with the English videos. And here we are, our 44 English video with channel ID, title, description. Then now we want two things. We want the video statistic, but we want also the channel details, because you remember an outlier, it compares the number of views to the number of subscribers to the channel. That's why we need the channel details. So we are going to run two branches. So first, the branch for the videos. So for the video statistics, here we use the endpoint for videos from the YouTube data API. And we want the part with the statistics, the content details, the snippet, and the topic details. And we want the video ID here. Here we get the result, we get the title, we get the description. On the other side, for the channel, we use another endpoint, the channel. So I remind you that you can find all that here. You see here we have all the video list, and this is where you need to search. Video, search, and channels are the one where you can find all that. Okay, so here we search the channel endpoint, and we want the statistic and the snippet and the ID. So here we get the handle and the view count, the subscribers count, and the video count. So we get all that. So go back to the videos, and here I don't want the short, I want videos that are superior to 4 minutes. So I did that with a code node here. And again, Claude wrote that for me. Okay. So here I want to exclude video that are inferior to 4 minutes. So here we are. By the way, yes, you get in the content details, you get the duration in a special format. So you have to transform it. So Once we have that, we're going to edit the fields here to extract the items that we want. The date of publication, the ID, the duration, it's here. The views, the likes and comments for other engagement metrics if we want to measure other parameters. On the channel side, I want the channel ID, the channel views, the subscribers, the video count, and the handle. We are going to use only the subscriber, but all this is interesting data, so it can serve for other workflows and other ideas. So then we need to merge these two results. So we use a merge node here, and we want to combine by matching fields, and we match by channel ID. And so we are going to enrich input number 2. So the input number 2 is the one from the video. It means that we are going to match the fields that have the same ID, and we are going to enrich the fields from the video with the one from the channel. Okay, so here we can see that we have title, URL, description, but we also have the channel subscribers, and this is what we need. Then we remove the duplicates and compare the fields by URL. So it's the same URL, it's the same video. We don't want it 2 times, so we remove that. And then here I have an Airtable node to get the video from Airtable, because if, for example, tomorrow I want to rerun it again and perhaps I will get new videos, I don't want it to get videos that are already in my Airtable. So here I get all the videos from the video table, and I filter them by URL. It means that when the URL on the table is equal to the URL from the previous node, I want these videos, because this means that these videos already exist in my Airtable, so I want to remove them. Okay, so this time there was no videos because there was no duplicate videos from Airtable to the ones that I get here. So here we are going to use the compare dataset node here. And so here we cannot see very well because of the tidy up button, but here we have the videos from our workflow, okay, our fresh videos that goes as input B, and the one from Airtable that goes at input A. Okay, let's open here to see what happened here. So we get them by the URL field. And then what I want the ones that are in B only, because if they are also on A, it means that they are on a table, and I don't want to have them because they are already there. And then here I have a code to get my outliers, my potential proven viral video topics. So what is the formula? Is the number of views divided by the number of subscribers. Okay, and I return all that. Then I sort them by the highest score of VSR, and then I get only the last 10, not 5, but 10, and I return them here. Okay, so again, it returned as one item. So I'm going to need a split out field to have my 10 items, and then I have my Airtable node with a create or update operation. This time we want the video table, and we map the columns by the URL. The URL is the column to match. So we get the URL and we get all that from the previous node. So the URL, the title, the tags, the description, the outlier scores, the views, the date where it's detected, and all these other fields that you will see in my next video. I hope that you will be there. And now you can search by yourself how to create your next video from there, or you can watch my video that I will record in a few days. So this is it. I hope you like it. And if you like it, subscribe now, like, comment to please the YouTube algorithm and to help me to produce more videos. And also, if you need my help to implement all that, book a free consulting call. I will be delighted to help you. So see you in the next one. Bye.